Hello everyone, welcome to the NN classroom. Today I'd like to share with you a specimen question extract also from the paper 1, which is question number 27. What they're asking? They are asking for the pH of a solution changes from 3 to 5. What happens to the concentration of hydrogen ion? A really important concept in the topic 8, acid and base, right? So this is a concept relating to the understanding behind what's meant by pH, right? Supposedly, everyone should know that pH is defined as an equation that equals to negative log concentration of H plus, right? So that is classic. Everyone knows it, but not a lot of people knows how to play with it, right? So what is meant by pH supposedly? Actually, here's the meaning behind. pH actually stands for something called power. Actually, pH is defined as the power of hydrogen. Here, the power doesn't mean that simple as the English meaning of how strong or how the strength is of hydrogen, but in fact, this is a mathematical expression of power. That means exponential. So that means what we are now doing is trying to look for the exponential of the concentration and bring it down like a log. This is the meaning of the log as well. And now at the end, we get to the concept of pH, right? So just now, just like if we know the pH of 1, so we can expect pH of 1 equals 1, so that means the proton concentration will be equals to 1 times 10 to the power negative 1, right? Similarly, if we have a pH solution of 2, so the concentration of H plus will be equal to 1 times 10 to the power of minus 2, right? So from this perspective, we understand that pH is in a log scale, and 1 degree change of pH already means 10 times. 10 times of the proton concentration that's different. So this is the major concept behind what's meant by pH, apart from just simply doing the calculation, right? So in this case, if you understand this idea, 1 degree change means 10 times. So now you see how many degrees change? 2 degrees change, right? So 2 degrees change no longer to be 2 times, but is 10 to the power 2 times, which is 100 times. So the choice can only be B or D, right? So and finally, how is it increase or going to be decrease is the understanding behind the meaning of the numbers. Supposedly, everyone should know that, right? pH 7 is said to be the neutral point, right? So that means the neutral point of having the same amount of proton at the hydroxide concentration, right? So that means if things goes extreme, pH like goes down and goes up, they were getting more and more acidic and more alkaline, right? So this is what we expect. Go down means more acidic, right? Goes up means more alkaline, or I can say basic, right? So that means if the number are now get closer to the 7, supposedly acidity or alkalinity is going to decrease. So that which also means that the concentration of the hydrogen ions should also be decreased if things now get increased closer to 7. So at the end, the choice for this case will be D.